Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are so welcome. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very natural yet very effective home remedy to get rid of those deep mouth wrinkles. You guys know if you're having a deep mouth wrinkle, it's just going to make you look older than your real age. And even if you're older, I mean, you should, get rid of that, and look really young. Like, yes, it's gonna do that for you. Yeah, I tell you. Alright, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share this video, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, drop your questions on my website. The link will be down below, and follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's dive into the video. And here I have the pawpaw. Here it is. Okay, it's already prepared and cut pawpaw. Alright, so pawpaw contains a lot of vitamin C, and it contains collagen that helps to leave the skin, that helps to make the skin a little more dense, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and tighten up the skin. It therefore repairs and leave the skin polished. Okay, so I'm going to first of all cut the pawpaw. Okay, just a little slice of this pawpaw will be okay. So this is basically what we're gonna be needing. Alright, and I'm also gonna be cutting it in cubes so that I can blend it. Now I'm actually using platinum little tiny blender, so I'm gonna turn that into the blender. And then blend. Okay, so it is blended, but I don't know if it's properly blended. Now I would have to check. And now the pawpaw is properly blended. We're going to be transferring the blended pawpaw into the bowl. Blended. So we're going to also be making use of carrots, and have actually prepared and washed my carrots already. Now carrots help so much in tightening up the skin. The carrot oil and as well as the juice works wonders in leaving the skin youthful, radiant, and it also minimizes the appearances of large and open pores. It therefore helps to leave the skin youthful. And to prepare the carrots, we're just going to be needing just a little quantity of this carrot. So I'm going to be cutting that even more so that my blender can blend it really. And now we are going to blend. My carrot is properly blended, and I'm going to transfer that also into the bowl. Mix the two ingredients, and also we're gonna be making use of yogurt. Now you have to use unsweetened yogurt, guys. Yogurt contains a lot of lactic acids, which helps it useful for the skin because it helps to tighten up the skin, and it therefore leave the skin beautiful and radiant. So it will also help to diminishes fine lines from the mouth and also from the face. Okay, then I'm gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And then we're going to be making use of fresh aloe vera. Okay, so if you don't have fresh aloe vera, guys, you can actually use the processed 100% aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is vast, it's great for the skin. It will help in removing deep mouth wrinkles with the help of all this natural ingredient that I've actually just shown you. So it's going to polish out and remove pigmentations, therefore leaving your skin beautiful. Aloe vera, I'm going to prepare the aloe vera. Blending the aloe vera, and I've actually turned that into this treatment. Okay, and I still have some of the aloe vera seed, not properly blended, but it's still okay. So this is how it is, and now we're going to stir. This mouth wrinkle treatment is gonna be what you need, guys. So for this, you can actually apply it 3 times in a week, and all of your deep mouth wrinkles, and you can also apply it onto your face, guys. It's just gonna be very, very helpful. Okay, guys, so for the deep mouth wrinkle treatment, you have to turn this into a jar if you must store it, and then you have to use a cotton wool or a cotton pad. Okay, and then you dip that into the treatment, then you grab it this way. Okay, this way, and if you have this matte wrinkle that's here, you know, then you apply it onto that place. And it smells really, really good, guys. So if you have the wrinkles too at your eye area, you can apply this treatment there. It's something you have to apply all over your face, guys. It is very important. So apply this treatment all over your face, but concentrate on the part in which you have the problem the more. Okay, just like that. And after you've done that, then you can hold it on. It's not going to get dry because obviously the pawpaw which is the papaya in it, is not going to make it go dry. So you have to hold it on for a couple of minutes, and then after that is done, then you can go wash it off. Remember to wash it off with a toilet soap, okay? So using this, guys, would help you so much to get rid of all of those deep mouth wrinkles, facial wrinkles and fine lines, and it is way natural, okay? So we all are moving into that natural age, okay? And you are going to be loving it, okay? Because it's going to be so super great and affordable too. Alright, so if you did enjoy watching the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell beside the subscribe button, okay? So you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video, and bye guys. Mwah.